Okay, we are back with the valve cover off, and we'll see if we can make sure that both valves are up at the top on this number 3 cylinder. So that one is. I could just loosen them right off and then I'd know, because obviously I got a problem. But I'll just bump it, see if I can see them, and here it is. There they are there. Okay, they should both be at the top, I think. Leak-down testers on 0. It's turning the motor over. Oh. It's about 10 or 11%. And it turned the motor over a little bit, so it possibly, could possibly be coming from right from there. So, that's not terrible. Very damn good, actually. Yeah, I think it's coming through the intake. So it's probably actually open a little bit, as it turned the motor over, so. I have to admit, that's kind of a good sign. If I can bump one of them over. Let's see what I can do.
Just doing a quick measurement on a visual full lift of the valve open, just to take a quick measurement, see if anything jumps out on any of the valves beside somebody. Maybe it's not opening all the way. So it's a very rough, quick measurement, but it helped give me an idea of what was going on, if anything was going on.
1548. Okay, well, the hole's got compression, and the valves are going up and down about the equivalent amount for just a rough measurement. So I wonder if I need to pull this distributor cap and have a look, see what's going on. Because we got something going on. I'm not sure what. There's 1843. It's wet in there. A little bit of oil or something. I don't know what that's about. Just looking at the terminal of the cap, and it seems fine. Inside, it's not buggered up.
We'll have a close look at the distributor cap and the rotor and stuff, and we'll be back. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I'll shut it off for a bit and I'll do some looking.